I've linked all the materials down below for you, as well as my measurements for my box, but you're basically going to need 4 wooden pieces, 2 square pieces, and 2 rectangular pieces. I lined the outside edges of my rectangular pieces because they are going to actually go up against the outer edges of the square pieces. Wow. As you can tell by my clap, I am very excited with how easy this DIY is. Basically, you're just going to have the square pieces sandwiched between the rectangular pieces and clamp to hold into place. I originally was going to use the pin nailer, but then I don't know what was happening. It wasn't working. I didn't have the patience to figure it out. So I just switched on over to my nail gun, and I just went along the edges where the wood is connected, and you can secure as many or as little times as you want. I probably did about 4 on each side where the wood connects. What you can't see is that my speed square is on the inside at each corner as I am adjusting to ensure that it's a 90-degree angle. But again, this isn't supposed to be rocket science, this box right here. It's supposed to be the most simple box, so any of you could do it. I measured the bottom from outer edge to outer edge on all sides in order to cut down a piece of wood to size. Some sides are prettier than the other, and this is where I realized I was lining the top of the box with wood glue instead of the bottom. Oh no! I realized I was doing it on the wrong side. Same exact way we assembled the box, you're going to line the edges with wood glue, put your wood on top, and secure with your nail gun or your pin nailer. As you secure it and as you push down the wood, wood glue will seep out, so be sure to have a towel on hand so you can wipe the excess immediately. I didn't go crazy with the sanding. I just went in by hand with a 180 and just ensured that all of the splinters were off of the box, or nothing could nick anybody that I gave this to. I didn't like that I was kind of off with my measurements, but I didn't want to try to fix it because, truth be told, when I try to fix things like that, I end up ruining the entire thing. So I just left it and sealed it up. For the gift bundle that's going inside, I'm actually curating this for Paul's mom. So I did kind of like a morning and night situation with a work coffee mug and relax with some bath bombs, a wine tumbler, a wine spout, some coasters, a really nice candle, and some pillow spray. And then you just want to add that into the box itself. But a little hack for you guys: use some shipping paper, or just you can even use wrapping paper if you wanted to fluff up the box a little bit so the product will be brought towards the top. I lied to you guys. Right here I realized that this was still going to be way too low, so I actually used the box that the mugs came in and just ripped off the price tag and stuck it at the bottom to kind of give it a platform to level it up a bit. As I always say, it is not my way or the highway, so if you want to paint the box, or you want to put a quote on it, you want to paint their name on it, you want to use colorful paper shreds, it's all up to you and the person that you're gifting to. But this is the vibe of Paul's mom. She's nice, cool, and relaxed, so I wanted a box to kind of reflect that as well. Maybe you don't want to do a box like this. Well, I'm just going to show you one that I made that is more of a cooking base. I don't cook, so I don't really know what to get a chef. I just got some random different smelling oils, gold utensils, really yummy hand soap and hand lotion, a cutting board, some coasters, a little marble or stone resting plate, and then on top of that, just 2 candles that I found that I personally like the scent of, so hopefully the person I'm gifting them to likes it as well. Maybe you aren't feeling like building a box. Well, the gift bundles are still a great idea, and you can pick up a crate from literally Home Depot or Michael's and stain it if you'd like, and then put a bundle in there as well. Short and sweet today, you guys, and very simple. I hope that you guys are inspired by these ideas. Like I always say, comment down below. Sharing is caring. You're going to inspire another DIYer to do something a little bit different, or tweak it in a way that they wouldn't have thought unless you commented. I'll catch you on Wednesday for another DIY.